Now you see I will discuss some scenarios where you have to build the logic. So let's see whether ChatGPT can help in building logic for me or not. So for example, I have A column 1, A column 2 and A column 3. Then you have B column 1, B column 2 and B column 3. And you see, if you notice, this value and this value is exactly same, this value and this value is exactly same, this value and this value is exactly same. So if the values are same, like A column 1 and B column 1, it is exactly same, A column 2 and B column 2 exactly same, and so on, then you see in the difference I should get 0 here. So I need to update this table and I should get 0 here. But if you notice here, it is 1872 and it is 1871. So here A column 1 differs little bit from B column 1. Similarly, A column 2 also differs from B column 2, but the difference is very minor. You see, the difference is around 0.12. So difference is very minor. It is like 0.02. So for column 2, I have a condition that if the difference between column 2 and this is between 0.5, then I should not consider that as a very big difference. So I can ignore that difference. But here if you notice, this is same. So there is only difference in the column 1. So I will give, okay, the difference is column 1. In the second case, if you see, this is 3 to 4.53, okay, fine, but it is 324 and 323. This time there is a difference of 1, so which is greater than 0.5. And if you see the column C value, it is exactly same. So here you see I want to put 2 here because there is a big difference in the second column. And here if you see the first column 2141, and in B also the first column is exactly same, so no worries. If you see the second column, both are same. If you see the third column, there is a difference, so here there is a change in the third column. So if there is no change, then you have to put 0. If there is a change in the first column, you have to put 1. If there is a change in the second column, you have to put 2. If there is a change in the third column, you have to put 3. But yes, if you have the change in more than one column, then you have to put 4. For example, here I have 1111.1111 and here I have 1111. So there is a difference, right? Then you have 1009.99. So there is a difference in second column also. But in third column, there is no difference. So you see, I have to put 4 here because there are changes in the two columns. Similarly, if you notice this 2222, there is no difference, but yeah, there is a big difference in column 2 as well as there is a difference in column 3. So here I should also put 4. So this kind of coding I have to create. So I will ask from ChatGPT to build the logic for this. I need to just update this table. So what I do, I will just copy this structure with the headers, and you see I will be going to paste it. I press shift enter, and you see I have already written the scenario, and the scenario is I want to update the difference column. So I want to update this difference column, and what are the conditions here? If A column 1 minus B column 1 is not equal to 0, then the difference is 1. If A column 1 minus B column 1 is not equal to 0, then the difference is 2. And also I am writing if A column 2 minus B column 2 is between minus 0.5 to 0.5, then consider it as no difference as it is very minor, which I have already told you. If the difference is between minus zero point 0.5 to 0.5, then you should not consider it as a difference. And the third case is if A column 3 minus B column 3 is not equal to 0, then the difference is 3. If there are multiple columns where difference is non-zero, then it is 4. If all the columns have no difference, then the difference is 0. So this is the condition, and here I will write give me T-SQL command. This is what I will write at the end. I just copy the full command, and you see I will be going to paste everything. So this is the table structure and all, and also I give the name of the table. Table name is demo table. So this is the name of the table which I have, and I just hit enter. So you see it will be going to give me the command here. So you see, it has given me the update command and it has given me few cases for 1, 2, 3 and 0. It did not give me the case 4. So I will write give me case for value 4. So this time it has given me the fourth condition also, and let me just copy this code and you see, let me check whether it has given me the correct case or not. So okay, when the absolute converts negative to positive, if it is not equal to 0 then 1. Okay, if it is if the absolute is greater than 0.5 then 2. Okay, if column 3 then 3. Okay, then you see, if all of them, this means like if this condition should be true, this condition should be true, then this condition should be true, then 4. So I don't think it has given me the accurate result. I have to modify this command to fix this, but it is not giving me the correct result, because what it will do, if this command is saying if there is a difference in all the three columns, then only it will be 4, otherwise not. And you see, it will never reach to this particular condition, because the rule of the case is if first condition is satisfied, it will not look at the lower conditions. So this condition will never be going to execute. I don't think this is correct. So if I just want to test it also, what I can do, I can use begin transaction, and within the transaction I run this command, and after that again I will select the data from the demo table, and after that immediately I will roll back the command. So just made the update, and after that check the output and just roll back the command. So it will not affect my original table. So this is the command which I am executing. Begin the transaction, update it, select it and roll back the whole transaction. So here you see, you get 0, 1, 2, 3 is fine, but you didn't get 4 in the bottom cases. So it has not given me the correct coding. So you can also try other AI language model. So let me try Google's Gemini. So I just copy this full command and let me try this command in Gemini also. Let's see what kind of output it gives. So it has given me some statement. I don't think this statement is valid because it is showing some plus sign, so it is not accurate. I don't think it will work. It should give me error. So okay, let me try in Copilot. So I just paste this command in the Copilot also and try to see whether it is giving me correct result or not. So it has given me similar kind of result if I compare to ChatGPT. So 1, 2, 3, okay, fine. Then it is giving me when condition. By looking at it, it seems that this will make sure when both the conditions are true, if 1 and 2 is true, or 2 or 3 is true, or 3 or 1 is true. So it means multiple columns are true. So this condition seems to me fine, but the thing is that this condition should be written on the top. Why? Because I will never reach to this condition. If suppose this condition is true, then 1 will be satisfied. If this condition is true, then 2 will be satisfied. And if this condition is true, then 3 will be satisfied. And it will never be going to reach to this particular condition. Let us try this code. I have to modify this code also a little bit. So what I do, I just remove this update command, previous update command, and I paste this one. It has also given me where difference is null because I rolled back the data. So here it is all null. So my original table is not affected. So right now everything is null, so no problem, but it has given me this extra condition also. In case if there are some not null values, you can use this condition also, so that's very good. But I need to shuffle this when condition, otherwise this code looks to me fine. So right now if I use this code, it will not work the way I want. So if I run this command, so you see here 0 1 2 3 is fine, and then 1 and 2. Why 1 and 2? Because if you see the first condition is satisfied, then it will not check rest of the condition. If second condition is satisfied, it will not check rest of the condition. So what I have to do, I have to just cut this when condition from here, and you see I just need to paste it in the top. And now if I select this, it's all null here because the command was rolled back. So let me just run it again. I just run this command again, and this time if you see I have got the perfect difference. Okay, so this command seems to me fine. So it has built me a complicated logic which I have to think a lot. So you see now I will not run this command within the transaction. I can straight away update it. So my rows are updated, and if I now check the demo table, here you see I got the desired result.